Hi guys, as I promised, I would talk a little bit about why I paint birds. Everything started with pencil and watercolor back in 2018, painting tropical birds because one of my friends, a very good sculptor, she had an exhibition and she needed something to match her work on the walls. So I made those for her exhibition. And I fell in love with birds and bird eyes. There is so much structure in birds' eyes. And but I thought that everybody loves tropical birds. They are so colorful and beautiful. And the boring European birds, Danish birds, are not that much on paintings. So I decided to look at it. First I draw was an owl, and I also used Ecoline. I hadn't used it before. And I used Ecoline and watercolor and pencil until I saw a video about alcohol inks, and I fell in love with it and decided to make big drawings, big paintings. And that's my first big alcohol ink painting. I wanted to show how birds look at things, like inside their eyes, but to have a small bird with such a big eye and you can identify the bird, it really needed to be a big painting. So the largest I got was the A2 size for YouTube paper. And so I started, this was the first one. And then I went on to the list of most common birds in Denmark. And that was the second one. I don't know the name of it in English. But that's my second one. It's still pencil, a bit of pencil and alcohol ink, but mostly alcohol inks. The first one was a lot of pencil and alcohol inks. I was still developing my technique. And the third one, it's basically only alcohol inks. And that's the story of it. I fell in love with Danish birds, and they are so small and people think that they are boring, but I think they are beautiful. And I start making, well, this was one of the first ones. But people think they are boring, and I think they are beautiful. And I start making them, and that's what I do.